In this tutorial, I'll show you how to prime canvas using a water-based paint. Let's do this. All you need is some water, a house paintbrush, a container for mixing, and gesso, or its alternative, what I usually use, white emulsion paint, the same water-based paint we use for painting walls. Pour some paint in the container. Add some water to the paint. Mix it thoroughly until you get the right consistency. Apply it on the canvas using the house paintbrush. The bigger the brush, the better, because it covers the surface faster. Ensure it's thinly and evenly distributed as possible. But try prime your canvas before painting. Why not just paint directly on it? Oil paint will soak into your canvas the same way oils soak into paper. Here's a comparison of the effect of oils on primed and unprimed canvas. The green paint on the primed side is vibrant because the paint hasn't been absorbed, unlike the paint on the unprimed side. This is what painting on unprimed canvas does at the back of your canvas. Here it's faint because we've just applied one layer of white paint. Here it's visible and unsightly because the green paint is on the unprimed side of the canvas. Once the first layer has dried, which shouldn't take more than 2 hours, apply the second layer of the paint. Don't forget to paint the top, the bottom, and the sides. The canvas is now ready for painting. In my next video, I'll share the finished painting and the step-by-step process, so click subscribe and turn on notifications on the bell icon. I hope you like this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.